What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Gala, which has just about fluctuated at the current price range over the last 24 hours. As you can see, trading below the 5 cents target, and right now it has dropped just about 2% in value. Nothing major, nothing too crazy. As you can see, the trading volume has gone up by just about 4%, making it $825 million, which is still a huge amount of money currently being traded on Gala. But yes guys, there has been rumors going around that a potential crash may be coming for Gala. So is this the time to get out, sell your Gala, take out your profits and reinvest when it drops back down in value? Or is the rumor false? Is it going to keep pumping up in value? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, covering some news articles as well, looking at what could potentially take place, and obviously covering both buyers and sellers point of view, as obviously when such news do come across, a lot of people do get worried. But again, we'll go into more detail and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can it go? Because even though yes, it may crash over the next couple of days, it's likely to pick back up in value over the next couple of months and even hit about 10, 15, 20 cents or even 50 cents depending on how much it comes back by. Again, crashes are always part of the process. You're going to see crashes, but again, as long as it recovers over the next few weeks or months, it should be fine, unless you're into crypto for the short term. So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. A link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and the market is up just under 5%. As you can see, it's been quite good since the start of 2023, and we are finally seeing Bitcoin hitting nearly $21,000, which is absolutely insane after a good few months. So today's focus is on Gala. In the last hour, it has more or less fluctuated. Same goes with the last 24 hours. Over the week, a massive 115% up, guys, and over the month, here's an overall 103% up in value. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'll be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the bottom, we've got the MACD indicator, and we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Gala here in purple at 0.02984, so just about 3 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here at just under 5 cents here in red at 0.04972, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, nothing too crazy. It is just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning very minimal increases in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards midday tomorrow, I am expecting Gala to more or less be fluctuating just above the 5 cents target. Nothing too crazy, guys. Do expect dips in between as well. Do expect red candles, green candles. Is going to be up and down, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, now we're not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line both heading towards a negative direction, looking quite bearish, meaning an overall drop in value is expected over the coming days. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by the end of next week, in about a week's time, I'm expecting Gala to be trading around the 4 cents target, guys. Again, that is quite of a drop, as you can see, going from 5 cents to 4 cents. That is about a 20% drop down to 4 cents again. These are my predictions as of right now, so it should be trading just below the 4 cents target by the end of next week. And again, when it comes to crash, the 20% crash is quite huge if you ask me, because obviously when it comes to major cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum, when they crash 20% in a week, that is that is quite major, and the exact same goes to Gala as well. But yeah, a 20% drop is what I'm expecting over the next 7 to 8 days from Gala. But again, doesn't mean it's going to be a consistent 5% drop every single day or 2% or whatever it is. We are going to see green days, we are going to see red days, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So as you can see, over the next few weeks, I'm here talking about late February to early March 2023. Yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Gala, but as you can see, the graph or the two lines here are looking quite steep, which means it is not realistic, as I've mentioned plenty of times. But yes, I'm expecting an overall minimal increase in value from Gala over the coming weeks. So let's say by early to mid March 2023, I'm expecting it to more or less be trading around the 8 to 9 cents target, heading towards 10 cents is what I'm expecting from Gala towards the end of towards mid March. But again, the crash is very temperamental, should I say. It's not something that's going to last for a long time. It's likely to crash about 20-25% and then pick back up in value towards, let's say, end of January to early February. We should be back up trading as usual. But again, I just wanted to let you know that I am expecting a minimal drop in value. And again, because of the major increase that's taken place, I've always mentioned this, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in value, do expect it to drop back down in value to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Gala. So that is another reason why a potential crash may be coming soon over the coming days, potentially over the next, let's say, 3-4 days it should be coming. But again, you guys have asked for regular updates on Gala, which I have been doing every single day, daily updates, and I will be doing them as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, guys, we are still trading in the red zone. We've got quite a long way to head to the green zone, of the resistance target here of 20 cents, but it is achievable. Again, it doesn't require a huge percentage increase. That is impossible. It is clearly possible, and potentially by mid-year, about Q3 to Q4 of 2023 is when I'm expecting Gala to be hitting the green zone here and potentially heading to the green zone towards the end of the year. But again, there'll be more updates on that, because obviously with major crashes and major pumps and so on, these things will have a major impact, positive or negative, not just on Gala but the whole crypto market in general. So I will obviously keep you guys updated. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Gala. Comment down below your end of year target for this crypto. Can it hit 50 cents, $1 mark, $2, whatever it is? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. So make sure to subscribe before you click off the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.